Hello everyone, my name is Martha from Streamline Health Tech Company Limited, the EMR service provider. Welcome to our training video on how to set up lab items in Streamline. And in this session, I'll be taking you through on how to add labs, edit labs, delete and activate labs in Streamline. So the first step will be, after logging into your Streamline account, click on Labs from the navigation menu and then click on Labs Management. So by default, Streamline will display a list of labs that are registered in Streamline. So it will display the lab name, then the current stock that is in the lab and the current stock that is in stores, then the expense account to which the lab item is attached. Then if that lab item is stocked, Streamline will tell you that this lab item currently has stock. So we have two ways of adding lab items. One, you can use this add multiple lab items button, and this will enable you to add many lab items at once. Then we have also add lab item if in case you want to add one item one by one. So for now, let me use this one. Click on add lab item and then go ahead and enter the lab item name. Maybe you can say I'm adding a glucose reagent. If you want to add any description, you can add it here. Then go ahead and select the unit of that lab item. I can say milliliters. Then enter the reorder level. This is the minimum level whereby if the lab stock reaches this level, we consider ordering again. So I'll say 10, then select the form of the lab item. So I'll say it's in liquid form, then attach the expense account. And please, if you are not sure about the expense account, reach out to the person who is in charge of finances so that you attach the right expense account since it's going to be affected. Then go ahead and click on submit, and then when you click on submit, Streamline will tell you that a new lab has been added. So this is how we add labs in Streamline. And when you check here, you will be able to see that glucose reagent that we have just added is now displayed. So if you want to edit this, you can click on this button, click on edit, then go ahead and click and edit the details you wanted to edit. Maybe if it was the reorder level, you can put it at 5. So after editing, go ahead and click on the submit button, and yeah, that lab item will be edited. Then if you want to delete a lab item, select that lab item, then click on delete. However, a lab item can be deleted only on a condition that it is not stocked. But if that lab item still has stock, you cannot be able to delete it. Okay, so when you click on this delete item, Streamline will ask you if you are sure you want to delete this lab item. So go ahead and click on OK, and it will be deleted, and Streamline will tell you that the lab has been deleted. So if you want to activate it again, we have this button here called inactive labs. So this is where all the deleted labs will be. So click on this button, and then you will have a list of the labs that were deleted. So to activate that particular lab that you want to activate again, you can search here, and it's here, glucose reagent. Then click on activate, then go ahead and click on OK, and then Streamline will tell you that lab has been activated. And if you go on view all labs once again, so if you go on if you view all labs, you'll see that it's now back here. Okay, so that is how we add labs in Streamline: edit and also delete, then activate again labs. So thank you for your time. See you in the next video.